I want you to get a firm understanding of why entourage is important and how it's going to create a story for your design. So this is an aerial perspective of a large building, but keep in mind, the perspective itself is only this part, right? This is the constructed bit, yeah. Everything else is just entourage. Here you got a background, here you got a foreground, right? This is created by just by adding geometry with cast shadows and entourage. Simple as that, right? And this is how you create story for your building. This is an axonometric, and these are frontal views, the facades. They're besides the scope of this miniature short crit. Okay, so keep in mind the surface ratio. Let's say your building has a U surface, right? And then the entourage needs to be 1.5 U, something like that, to get a nice story for your building.